we had a cape, so we had turned our upstairs into 2 bedrooms, and that's all we had. And we needed something bigger because my children were sharing a room. So Ron from Shells Only came in, and he was probably one of the only, sales professionals that came in and actually told me what I was going to do, or what I could do with the house. I met with, my dad's personal friend who had done his house. He came in and he said, yeah, okay, we can do whatever you want, and it's gonna cost $5,000 for plans, and I didn't even know what I was getting at that point. So we got a price from him, and then another contractor came in, I don't remember who they were, but same thing, okay, well, what do you wanna do? I don't know what I wanna do. I need help in what we can do. When Shells Only came in, Ron told me everything that I could do, and the possibilities that we had with the house. So when Ron came in, it wasn't a sales pitch. It wasn't a, where he says to me, okay, this is the price and we're negotiating or anything like that. It was, he created the relationship and he earned my trust and gave me all of my options, which I appreciated. It was the trusting fact that I knew that everything that we wanted, everything that was on our blueprints, everything that they said they were gonna do was gonna get done. And it did. 100%, 110%. If there's more than 100%, it's 110%.